Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and staying safe. For today's video, I have my June monthly set up for you guys. I'm going to be tracking my sinking funds as well as my monthly expenses as well as my 2 paychecks. I actually think I have 3 paychecks in June. Let me just check. I think it's either June or July. Yeah, it's July. Okay, so that's a story for a different day. Right now we're going to focus on June. So if you guys would like to see me set up my monthly setup for June, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is my May monthly setup. I just did this differently just because it wasn't working for me the other way that I was doing it. I couldn't really see everything the way I wanted to, and it just was not working out. So this is a whole lot better for me. I can track everything, I can see everything, and it's just really nice. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up for June. What color should we use for June, guys? I think I'm feeling a nice purple. I feel like purple is a June kind of color. I cannot believe we're in June, first of all. Like, what the heck? But we're not going to talk about that. So we're going to do June monthly expenses. June sinking funds on this page. June sinking funds 2020. I went ahead and outlined that. I got this way from a girl that I watch. I will have her link down below. Her name is Valentina. I love her videos so much. She's so funny. Then I did funds, beginning, plus / minus, and then ending amount. I underlined that because I'm a big underlining type of gal. And like I said, guys, I am still super new to this, so this will probably change in the future too, but for right now, this is what we're rocking with. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lines to separate everything. Magnifique. So I did skip a line. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write down all my sinking funds. Okay, so this is it for my June sinking funds tracker. I have my beginning balance, if I add anything, if I subtract or add anything else, and then my ending balance for when we stuff everything. I'm so excited for June. Look at these totals. I can't wait for them to increase. I'm so excited. Moving on to my June monthly tracker and paycheck tracker. May monthly expenses, that's what it's called. June monthly expenses, I'm so sorry. So June monthly expenses Twinkie. I don't know why I say Twinkie, it's it's just funny to me. So I underline that, and I'm going to do paycheck number 1 and paycheck number 2. I cancel that. Okay guys, let me zoom you in so you can see a little better. I went ahead and I filled out all of my monthly expenses for each paycheck, what each paycheck has to cover. And now I'm going to, I believe I drew a line. Yes, I did. And then I did the total for each. So let me draw a line. Having these at the top of the page really helps me keep track of how much money I have to have in the bank at a time, which is super helpful. Like when you get paid, you're like, oh, like how much do I have to save in the bank and everything, because unfortunately not everything is you know, cash only, so you still gotta pay a couple bills online. So let me go ahead and add these up. Okay, so for the first paycheck I have to have $175 in the bank. For the second I have to have $150. I do round up these totals, so it's like a couple dollars more for each of them, but I just like to be safe than sorry, you know. So once that is all done, what did we do next? Okay, so I skipped a line and then I did paycheck number 1. And then I believe I wrote out all of my categories and everything. Cash envelopes. Okay, and I drew another line. Let me draw another line for that. This does take more time than what I was doing before, but I feel like it's so stinking worth it. So let me go ahead and write out all of my categories. I'm not writing any amounts currently because sometimes that just depends on how much I get paid for this paycheck and how much I'm willing to give up. So for sinking funds, number 1, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that that is all done, I'm going ahead and going to go down and do the same thing for the second paycheck of June. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I did skip a line. And then I did Alrighty guys, let me just cap this section off and then that will be it for our monthly setup. Okay, so I just went ahead and wrote them all out off camera just so that it wasn't going to take forever. So we get paid Friday, June 5th. So I'm going to write that we're going to go to the bank this day because hopefully the bank will be open when I need to get it. And then we'll also put a little check of payday. And then also on the 19th, we'll be going to the bank. It's a direct deposit day as well. And then it is also a marvelous payday. So now that that's out of the way, if you're wondering where my stickers are from, they are from Planner Kate. I will link her down below as well. So Fabletics is on the 6th. I did go ahead and write that I was going to skip this. So I just want to make sure that I have it still in my planner. Capital One is on the 10th. Hulu and Epidemic are on the 11th. And my dog's pet insurance is on the 14th. 6/23 is Spotify. 27th is Discover. And the 28th is PicMonkey. And the 29th is Adobe. Alright guys, that will be it for this video. I just wanted to go ahead and put in some of my trackers so that I can see what I'm going to be doing for the month of June. It is a little early, but I would rather be ahead than behind the game. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And yeah, I hope that you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. I love you girls. Bye.